Hello, my name is Shankar Datta. Today, I am going to explain the problem and the solution of CVDRUN from October Challenge 2020 from Codechef. The problem code is CVDRUN. Here, the problem statement is like there are n cities from number 0 to n-1 arranged in a circular way that the city 0 is connected to city 1, then 1 is connected to city 2. In this way, the city n-1 will be connected to city 0. In this way, they are connected. The coronavirus is spreading fast and now it is at city X. Each day, it jumps from its current city to the city K to its right, that is, from city X to the city X plus K mod N. As the virus jumps, the cities in between that don't get infected. Now, someone is in city Y. I have to find out, will it reach this city Y? If it will reach, then I have to print yes, otherwise I have to print no. Now see some examples. Here, currently the virus at city X, this is city 5, there are total 6 cities, and I have to find out, will this virus affected city Y, this is city 3. Now, with this formula, I can find out from city 5, it will first infected city 1. Then from here, it will infected city 3. So, I have to print yes, it will be affected. Now, another example. Suppose there are 12 cities, 0 to 11, and I have to find out if it is now it is at city X, so city 4, and the Y city is city 2. I have to find out, will it affect city 2 or not. So now from city 4, it will jump city 7, then from city 7 it will jump city 10, then from there it will jump to city 1, then again X, and again it will just repeat this loop. It will make the same thing every time. It will never affect the city 2. So in that case, I have to print no, it will never infect the city Y. Now I have to see the input condition. The first line will have an integer t as a test cases, and the first line of each test case will have 4 space separated integers n, k, x and y as the number of cities, the size of jumps, the current city and the city y. And I have to input a new line with yes or no. You can see the constant of t, n, x, y and k. It will be capable for an integer. Now I am showing how to do the code. The first line, I have to take integer t as test case. Then I will take the value of t in the scanf function. Then I am creating a while loop to continue test cases. Now in between that, I have to take another 4 integers n, k, x and y, and I am taking the values with scanf. Okay, I have taken the values. Now I have to check if city X equal to city Y, because if both of them are same cities, then it is affected the city Y. I am taking integer flag, and initially it is 0. So if this flag will be 0 at the end, then I have to print no, it will not affected. And if it will be 1, then I have to print yes. Here it will be 1 because if both of them are same city, then I have to print 1, it will be yes, affected. Now if it will not, then I am making a while loop. You can see one thing from here, I don't know how much time I have to spend to find out the city will affected or not, because it may takes infinite times to find out that city 2 will not be affected, or it may be need just one time to find out that yes, city Y is affected. So if I take a for loop, I don't know that this n value, I don't know this n value. So I am taking here a while loop. In between this while loop, I am giving a condition until x will be y. Until the value of x will not be y, it will continue. And at the end, when it will find the value y, this x will be y, then it will become 1, because at that time this city y will be affected. Now, how the value of x will be changed? With the formula x plus k mod n. Now, I have to check, or I have to understand at which condition this will be no. If the value of x will be repeated, the same value will come again, then only I will understand that the city y will not be affected. Then I have to print no. So I am taking and integer z here, and I am taking the value of x. I am making z as x. Initially I make value of z is x, and if this x value will be z again, then I will make it false and I will break the loop. Then I don't need to continue this loop. Here it will be no. And now after the while loop, I will check if not equal to 1, then I have to print yes till affected, and else, so it must be 0. At that case, I have to print no till not affected. Now I am checking the output here. I am taking these examples. There are 2 test cases, and the value of n is 6, x is 2, k is 2, x is 5, and y is 3. Here it is yes. Consider answer is correct. The second test case, n is 12, k is 3, x is 4, and y is 2. Now it is no. So my answer is correct. You can see my solution in the Codechef. This is also correct. Okay. So thank you for watching my video.